Hello friends, today I will show you how to make furniture from pallets, plenty of DIY inspirations. Designers are increasingly focusing on handmade furniture, and wooden pallets are becoming a popular choice for this purpose. Originally designed for transporting goods, pallets are now selected for crafting a wide range of household furniture. Beautiful, stylish design and a comfortable atmosphere are crucial for everyone. After all, where do you want to feel the most comfortable if not at home? Contrary to common belief, creating such an interior doesn't necessarily require a large budget. Explore the gallery and a few tips on how to make such unique furniture yourself at home. Pallets, rules for selection and preparations before use. As mentioned above, pallets are used for transportation as packaging material. They come in various sizes, with standard Euro pallets being the most common. The ends of these pallets bear markings that can serve as decoration for your furniture. Moreover, the wood used for crafting these pallets can withstand a load of up to 1,000 kilograms. Therefore, you can be sure that a sofa made from such pallets won't break. If you plan to make furniture from pallets for your terrace or garden, it must be protected from moisture. For this purpose, coat the entire surface with a water-repellent primer. Otherwise, it will quickly turn gray and rot. A pallet sofa is an excellent solution for those who appreciate a stylish, modern design for their apartment or house. Such a design will undoubtedly catch the attention of your guests. However, these pallet creations will also find their place on terraces, in gardens, or even in waiting rooms at doctors' offices or nurseries. Do you have furniture made from pallets? Show it to us. If you enjoyed the video, share it with your friends.